7 health facts that will make you say wow. Hello, welcome to our channel. Today we will talk about some interesting facts about health. We all have heard the phrase, health is wealth. Well, of course, health can never be wealth, but metaphorically we can say health is wealth. Let me create a scenario. A person is dying and he is CEO of any big multinational company, so his great wealth can help. Of course, no, now you understand why health is wealth. Life is busy, I get it, but do we ever think about ourselves? I guess no. There are so many facts about our health that we don't know, such as 20% more people die of a heart attack on a Monday, or our fingernails grow almost 4 times faster than our toenails. I bet you didn't know that. Today we are going to talk about the top 7 health facts that will definitely make you say wow out loud. Stress is directly related to 90% of all diseases. Stress is one of the most common and dangerous roots of the disease. It is not a physical disease, which means that there is no bacteria or virus. Stress is a physiological disease which can be triggered at any time, at any moment. Yes, it is true that almost 90% of all diseases are related to stress. Few of the examples are high blood pressure, insomnia, even heart diseases as well. In short, stress not only affects the human mind but also the body as well. Lack of sleep is more deadly than starvation. You must be thinking how it is possible. Recent studies show that a normal human can survive up to 2 months without food, but he cannot survive more than 11 days without sleep. Sleeping is not simply about having beautiful dreams, but it enables your mind, as well as body, relax. Sleep also allows human bodies to heal or repair as well. Without sleep, we would become like living zombies. Our brain is 75% water and 60% fat. Surprised? Well, that's true. The human brain consists of 75% water and 60% fats. I know you are saying that fat is bad for health, so let me correct you. All fats are not bad for health. There are some fats such as olive oil, walnuts, fish, avocados, and many more that are actually good for your health. Human brains need both water and fat, and from fat I mean the healthy ones, so don't let others misguide you saying fat is bad for health. Exercise can power up your brain. We all know that exercise is beneficial for the body. But guess what? That's not all. Exercise also boosts up your brain power. You might be thinking, how is this possible? So allow me to explain. When you exercise, your blood circulation increases, which means your brain will get the right amount of oxygen and blood. Blood and oxygen will increase your brain's power. Coffee can reduce your stress. Yes, that's right. Coffee can reduce your stress and helps you calm down. So, now whenever you feel depressed or anxious, then you know what to do. Coffee contains caffeine, and caffeine is a central nervous system stimulant of the methylxanthine class. In other words, caffeine helps you reduce stress and makes you relax. When you drink coffee, you are increasing the level of caffeine, and that's how coffee helps you to relax. More than half your bones are located in your hands and feet. A baby has approximately 300 bones and cartilage. Later on, as they grow up, bones and cartilage fuse together. An adult person has almost 206 bones, and if we just count the number of bones in hands and feet, then you will be surprised to know that out of 206 bones, 106 bones are in hands and feet. Awesome, right? Cold temperature can be good for your health. Well, who knows, cold temperature can be good for health. People who live in cold areas such as America, Canada, and many others know pretty well how cold temperature can benefit their bodies. cold temperature can help you in reducing allergies and inflammation. Even research was carried out which showed that people are more likely to think more clearly and perform well in cold temperatures. That's not all. Cold temperature can kill many bacteria or viruses. In other words, it can prevent diseases such as Zika, West Nile virus, and many more. That is all for now. Hope that this video has increased your knowledge. Make sure you put a like and subscribe to our channel, and oh yeah, hit the bell icon as well for the notification. Goodbye and have a great day. Until next time, and remember, a healthy life is a happy life.